When I was approached to be a featured author in the Common Sentience series, it was an immediate full body yes. And the reason that it was such an immediate yes and full body response is because the values of sacred stories so much align with and interweave with my own personal values of bringing every voice to the table and sharing our common experiences, because as humans, and especially in today's world, it's so easy to see differences and division, but the truth is we're so much more alike than we are different. And these common experiences that we have as humans, as infinite beings, having these human experiences, when we come together and we share those, we are brought together and we can move forward towards that common good. And this Common Sentience series is that embodiment of the power of our stories and the power of our experience and how that brings us together. So being a featured author moves beyond just that book experience into that mission of uniting all of us in our expansion.